Do you think that there's nothing that can scare you? If you watch this video, you will change your mind. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, what a pleasure to do another reaction video. But before to start, I would like to say Ghost Viz, go and check that out because his channel it's amazing. Anyway, today we will face ghost on camera, paranormal activity, unexplained videos, so it's time to start Ghosty.
Ghost caught on camera. List brought to you by Ghost Vids. Alan Sullivan Mansion. The Alan Sullivan House was built in 1887. The three-story and style house was built for Richard and Alan. Richard and his wife Susan lived here. In 1890, Richard died here in this home. This mansion has high chances of being haunted by the millionaires who lived by. Today, Urbex Hills pays his historic place to a visit before its demolition, and surprisingly, he does manage to capture some unusual and strange activities on his camera.
The battle fall. That's strange.
So far, nothing had happened in almost half of his investigation time until he finds a bottle that moved on its own in this very empty mansion. This was not the only activity he was able to capture, but later, after continuing his investigation, he finds the chair moving with the following loud bang. What are your thoughts on this? Could this place still be haunted by all deaths that happened in here since the 80s? Which room?
Which room?
YouTube Juventino Paranormal is a Spanish ghost hunter. Today they visit an abandoned field to have found a witchcraft in the witch's room in one of their titled videos. So let's watch what they actually caught on their camera.
Ahí está. Sí, 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 ven, 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 mira, ese hombre ahí. Mira, mira, mira. Hola. Hola. No te pases.
No
¿Qué pedo?
way.
Hola. No te pases. ¿Qué pedo? Mira,
Again.
mira. Échale la blanca ahí, carnal. ¿Qué es eso? Sí, 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 sí. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? Ya, ya, miré. Ahí se mira. Se mira que se asoma. Ahí se mira mucho. ¡Ey! ¿Por qué no te dejas ver bien? ¡Ay, se vio, se vio, se vio!
No way.
Were you guys able to notice it? There seems to be a white figure fluttering behind the bushes twice in their investigation. And to confirm there really was a witch nearby in the fields. They have what sound like a woman crying.
¿Qué fue eso que se asomó? En los cuartos, en los cuartos. En los cuartos,
It clearly sounds like a woman crying and it could be witch. But as always, I would like to know your opinion in the comments. Scary TikTok. Here we have gathered some of the creepiest clips from famous platform TikTok. In our first TikTok, a guy saves a footage from a company's overnight camera and something triggered the alarm. But whatever it did, let's find out by taking a look at his clip.
I sprayed the pepper me do that.
Whoa. No way. It's
Looks like she's
moving
floating,
alone.
Bob. Oh, that gives me the creeps. Yep. Oh, that gives me the creeps. Yep.
Firstly, it is seen that a white apparition was looking almost like it's floating over the floor to another side of the bathroom, then in office as well. Second TikTok of a Spanish guy walking near railways with his team at around 3:34 am in the middle of the night. He seems to capture something on the camera which he does not notice.
I see something here. Maybe it's a woman, a man.
Did you guys see? As he
Yes.
was passing by the train, There seems to be someone standing behind the window of a train, looking at him, which he does not notice himself. What are your thoughts on these clips? Could it just be an act to gain attention? The girl with the teddy. In 2018, a man named Hu He uploaded a couple of videos to Facebook documenting his life after coming out of his coma. He suffered some sort of cardiac arrest or heart attack, which immediately had him sent to the hospital, where he ended up being in the coma for 3 days and had some wild dreams, one of which he remembers clearly. The dreams were a young girl coming to offering him a teddy bear and more or less stated, if he took the teddy bear, he would survive this coma. The 3 days passed in the hospital, where he woke up happy to still be alive. However, it's not too long after he notices the same teddy bear laying on the side of his bed that the girl gave him in the dream setting. Days passed since this incident. He brought that teddy to this home, and one day in the earlier hours of the morning, after hearing some very odd sounds coming from the next room over, ever since he left the hospital, his family started seeing and hearing some very odd things. So this night in particular, where his family is sound asleep, he decides to start recording after hearing some strange noises. This is what he captured.
No quiero que me hagas daño. Hoy quieres a tu mami. Trataremos de hacer lo posible, ¿ok? Se caen las cosas. Si tú eres la... Dios santo. Dios.
He tries communicating with the spirit of a girl who supposedly communicated with him when he was in a coma. Considering to bring back the teddy bear was not the best choice for his. It appears in one of his rooms. Something is sitting on the corner of the room. A creepy glass mask appears without any color and is void of anything whatever. The house completely looks haunted with things moving on their own, as well as the special teddy bear. Ever since then, nothing has been heard from the family. What are your thoughts about this creepy story? Woman in the White.
A woman in the
Final
white.
on our list is a video by popular ghost hunter from Brazil. Camus and his team this time visits an abandoned house, 2:50 in the morning in the middle of nowhere. As the story goes, woman in white who roams this place is a woman who took care of the cattle here in the past. She lived in this house many years ago. The woman was distant from everybody for unknown reasons. Today, Camus and his team decided to visit this rumour-haunted place in hopes of capturing something. Well, this is what they captured.
Não. Foi aqui no... Que isso? Que isso, cara?
That's not real. That's not real.
As they were investigating the exterior of the place, unexpectedly, a woman in the white appears inside the house, making them scared enough to run away. Later, they continue back their exploration of the haunted place, hearing things and finding the woman once again.
Vocês já foram no segundo andar?
Não, nunca me risquei de entrar aí. Ó, olha aqui, ó. Ó. Tá vindo aqui de cima, ó.
That's not real.
Onde isso, cara? Tá vindo aqui de cima, Jefinho. Você pode se manifestar pra gente?
Não, velho, não pergunta essas coisas.
Cara do céu! Vaza daqui, velho! Nossa, velho! Ai, Jefinho! Olha ali, cara! Olha ali, velho! Sai daqui, velho!
So, which was the most scariest out of this top 5 list? Subscribe our channel for more creepy content just like this. Goodbye.
So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget GhostViz, go and check his channel. Anyway, if you love the video and you want to see more reaction content, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on notifications. Don't forget to comment below which video scared you the most. I'm Moya the Genius, thank you so much. Peace and stay tuned.